what we have here today. Today we're fixing the radiators and we're moving the fans up front, like on one of my previous videos. So, as you can see, we you know, trying to get this radiator. It's kind of laying up against the blower belt. So I'm taking off the blower belt and I am making it, adjusting the radiator, taking the fans off, moving them up, sliding the radiator forward slightly, like a 1/4 inch. I'm gonna have to notch those bottom brackets of the core support to get it where I want it to be. So if you look, you can see that I am trying to figure out how far forward I need, because the bottom of the radiator is cocked out forward at the very bottom. The front is leaning forward, so I had to redo the radiator bracket at the bottom, cut weld, retack it, and move it in towards the motor at the bottom to stop the forward lean, since the fans are now on the outside in the front of the radiator. Here you can see that on the back side, I took the fuel blocks off of the firewall, and I'm going to be fabricating the bracket here soon, later in this video, on that.
Got the fans in. Woo. Got the grill fitted up. Got these notched. Had to notch them, man. I didn't want to notch them, but I had to. The bumper's going to cover some of that, but I had to notch them. So once I get my control arms in, I'll be able to adjust all of this. But it does fit up to the body line, so I'm happy with that. So I had to get this radiator situation fixed. I just had to make the bracket, weld it in, set the radiator in, get it set back, make little brackets to hold that bitch in super tight now. She's nice and cushioned, ready for the rumble. Some more body tweaks to be done once I get ready to do all the body shit. But in the meantime, this is the look I want. Smooth, flat look. I cut those out. The big F100 stupid thing I don't like that comes up, goes down, takes away from the motor. I don't like that. You should be able to walk up to the motor and be like, oh wow, it's a monstrous goddamn on motor. What the hell? So, yeah, I like that look better. 4 ruckus. Oh my gosh, she finna show her. He finna show his ass, I say. He finna show him Earth. Right, so right now I'm aired up, but now I'm gonna work on this back here. I wanna make a bracket for this back here. So probably won't record it because I don't have much battery left, because I've been on my phone all day. So I need to get that situated so I can get inside and work on all the wiring and stuff and the Speedway kit down there. So got to get this fuel plumbed in, get that right, then I'll get the radiator plumbed in. I already got fluid in here waiting to rock and roll for the power steering. So no static leaks right now for that, so I'm good with that. Happy with that. Right here, trying to get loose on this and see if I can get it set up in here somewhere. Probably right in here. I think this will fit like right in here. So right in here is where I want it. Up and out of the way of the exhaust that's going to come down. and out to the back or whatever. I want the fuel up and out of the way because right now the lines are running here and I don't like it when they're running. So I'm gonna take this loose, take these 8 AM-8 lines loose, run them back, pull them back, and bring them on the inside. Then I got to make a bracket for my Z-bar to go up in the thing so that can work good too. So then once all that's done, I'm gonna work on TIG doing the headers. I'll do a nice video on that. Getting all that set up, getting it right for ruckus. So just got just enough clearance up front. Barely cutting the mustard there, but that's okay. This is the yeah, he in here. So I'm gonna also take my ruckus eyes off and change that too. So polish all this up, clean, reel back up again. But it's been sitting. But he ready to call ruckus mayhem and madness, as your boy his job would say. Right now, he up. I got to air it up to ride height, so can't wait to get them arms, man. So stay tuned. Let me see if I can get another update with the rest of this bracket I'm about to make back here. All back here. So let's see what we got. All right, like I said, I made that bracket. I didn't film it because, like I said, my battery's about dead. This phone's about to die. But I made a bracket. I took the blocks off the firewall. If you look at previous videos, I put them on a nice solid plate here underneath. So all of my lines, my regulator, all that's going to be coming down, tying in right back here to these lines here. I feel much better with that once the exhaust, goes down in there. It's not near this fuel line over here. Didn't like that. So got that in, got the radiator in, core support, all that's mounted up now. Just gotta tweak it, build this top aluminum panel for it. That's next. And it's so much easier to get to those lines too, to tighten them and loosen them. I put them all on my hand like no problem. Where on the back wall I was cussing. So now I gotta change these little things out here so I can run my boost reference line. Then that's gotta go into the cab with another T to the boost gauge, which is in the top left-hand corner. So that's where we at right now. Take a break. It's about midnight. Been working this thing about 8 hours. So got that front end set, which I like. He's sitting real nice and nasty. I lowered him down some so I can reach in there. But yeah, I gotta do more. I gotta tackle those wires and run all the wires when I run the harness. So gotta run all the wires for that, run all the stuff through the firewall. All my power to all my crank trigger down here, coil, all of the ram be ran through. Intake all nice and neat with this nice pretty little hole you see back there in the firewall, and in through to the cab. So once I get that and get it starting on its own, I'll be happy. I'll be at least happy a little bit where I can just turn it over with a button. So once I get that, I'll be happy. So sorry for moving the camera up, and this phone is about to tap the hell out. Forward on forwards. 557 cubic inch, baby. Getting ready to rock and roll. 14 by 26 is in the back. Oh, Jesus. Here he come.
Here he comes.